What is up, guys, and welcome to another video. We're down here at Fenix Radiators for their open night. They've opened their doors so we come check out all their products and their merch, check out some badass cars. Let's go check them out. Tonight we're rolling in the Mark II. Look at the graphics going crazy in the light. Everyone's going to have their neons on soon. And check out this S15. We've seen this before, sitting super low, man. This is the epitome of badass to me. So good. And does it get any better than a Bayside Blue GTR on Nismo wheels? Well, it does when it sounds as angry as this thing. This thing sounds insane when it rolled in. And here's a look under the engine bay of this very serious GTR. Look at the size of that precision turbo. That is ginormous. The attention to detail continues throughout. This is one serious RB build. As soon as the bonnet was popped on this S15, I knew I had to have a look, man. The car looks so good. SR20, not unusual, but NA with individual throttle bodies, and look at those long run headers. That is a work of art right there, far out. I love to hear this car scream, man. I love high revving NA cars, and I reckon an S15, the way they handle this thing would be perfection on windy toge roads. And down here we have the Fenix collection. Look at their S15 drift car. Man, this thing is just so aggressive. Look at the livery on it. I've been out on track with this many times before, and this is one serious car, powered by a 2JZ. It is an absolute beast. Then we've got Adrian's FDRX7 street car. How good is this, man? Clean, sitting low on the SSR wheels, Recaro seats. I mean, I don't think it gets any better than that. Then one of his other cars is this S14 over here, with its Neo VVL motor. This car is the epitome of clean. So tidy. Look at the fab work, everything taken care of here. Beautiful, absolutely stunning street car. The event's really started to pack out now. Thanks to Fenix Radiators for opening their doors to the public, letting us come hang out, check out all their merch and their gear. Man, there's cars literally everywhere. The car park's full, there's people everywhere. The whole cul-de-sac is full of cars, man. Everyone having a good time. And this has to be one of my favorite R32s. Look how aggressive it is with the Benz Sports Aero. So low. Roll cage, full interior. Check this out, man. All the gauges in here. This is some real JDM style here. So good. It's got drift spares in the back. And then we've got another sick sedan sitting here. Man, I like this wheel and color combo. I haven't seen this before. Such a good car. Man, there's so many good cars here. How good is this S14 facelift? It's got something special under the hood too. It's got a big turbo, but it's also got a Neo VVL head and a Plasma Man intake plenum. Everything powder coated black. Man, that is one seriously tidy engine bay. And this black S14 looked so aggressive rolling in. Look at the fitment on it. This is so wide in the front on the gram light wheels. Black Aero black wheels, so damn tough. Check out my mate Mike's GT Starlight. He's just given it a big refresh. How cool does it look on those gold wheels, Tom's wheels? It's got lots of OG parts on it. Look at that Blitz blow-off valve. Man, I've had a few of those in my time. Everything looking tidy. Love GT Starlets, man. It's so good to see a real tidy one rolling out on the street. Ryan's brought out his drift stage here. This has got to be my favorite stage here. It looks so good, man. This aero just fits it perfectly. He's also got a 180SX packing a CA18. This car's a bit of a time capsule car. Check it out. I remember meeting him when he first got it, and he's put serious work into making this look so good. Over here we've got two seriously tough Skyline sedans. First we've got Victoria's car. I've seen this before plenty of times, did a machine check on it. Big Garrett turbo, nicely executed engine bay. This car goes so good, and this one here has a super OEM plus vibe to it. Look at the attention to detail in here. It's got a gritty plenum, turbo smart wastegate, but everything else has been powder coated and everything else looks OEM plus. Such a good build. And how good does the new livery look like on Tim's Hustler mini bikes Holden? Damn, that looks cool. Right next to this two-tone RX-7. Man, I love that. Absolutely love it, with the black trim and the whale tail spoiler on the back. And then we've got this super slammed Mark II on T37s. Far out, we've got to check those brakes out too. Big brakes on the bronze wheels. Such a cool combo. Even more cars line up down the street. This is that white Mark II on the T37s. Bonnet pop now, let's check it out. Man, I want one of those weld spark plug covers so bad. That's so good. And look at that manifold. Woo, looks like it's made out of titanium. Big Garrett turbo. This thing looks real understated on the outside, just the way I like it, but such a potent engine combo. Another car, as soon as the bonnet was popped, I gotta check it out. I love white S14s, looks so much like one I had back in the day. And this was my dream motor combo. JZ powered, man. Look at the fab work over here. It's got cam gear, it's got all sorts going on. Man, this is one serious build. This is a match made in heaven. JZ and an S15, so damn good. Check out this M3 sitting on T37s. Woo! Man, that color combo is so damn hot. Such an aggressive car. JDM style BMW, gotta love it. We've got this Altezza here, looking super tough. So many good cars at this event. And the lights go down and the neons come out. How rad does this Skyline look with its underglow? Man, I'm absolutely feeling this. I think the Mark II's got to cop this treatment too. Look at on this GR Yaris, so damn good. And these cars, with Sonic the Hedgehog airbrushed underneath the bonnet. It's so damn cool. What a vibe at night. Massive thank you to the team at Fenix. What an epic event. So many good cars out here. Chill vibes, man. If you need cooling products for your car, you got to check out Fenix radiators. And if you love this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll keep the content coming.